Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Jenkins, my classmate too. This evening I will talk to you about a well-known French habit, which is the strike, and about the selfishness of some people in this country. Um, Before anything else, I would like to say that I'm French and I'm very proud to be French, but sometimes there are many things which embarrassed me. So thanks to Mr. Jenkins, with this video, I will share it with you. Indeed, I will explain you this evening why the pilots of the company Air France decided to strike a few weeks ago. Air France is one of the biggest French company in the aeronautic area, and KLM is one of the biggest company in Netherlands in the aeronautic area too. And few years ago, they decided to pool their resources in order to share the profits and the losses. They create an alliance. And in my opinion, Transavia was a really nice project because it would allow to the creation of more than 1,000 jobs and more than 200 jobs, especially for the pilots. But to the company stay viable and profitable, the pilots must lose some extras because the company have to save some money to create other jobs. Transavia was just a project for the future and nothing was already done, but when the pilots were informed, they just decided to strike. And here is the problem, because they decided to strike without paying attention if that strike embarrassed or not the other employees of the same company. I mean, during a strike, I understand that a pilot who win approximately more than 15,000 euros per month can survive, but what about the other employees who hardly win more than 1,000 euros per month? So this is an ethnocentric attitude, and this shows that the majority of the pilots of that company are individualistic. Moreover, they are fighting against the project which allows to the creation of more than 1,000 jobs. And in my opinion, this is just unacceptable because the pilots have to put in perspective their situation with the others, and I think that they will quickly understand why this is not correct. We live in a world where everybody fight to get a job, fight to get money, and fight to survive. So when I see that the pilots decided to strike for this reason, I just have a question for them. Just what is wrong with you? Please look at the world surrounding you, and I'm sure you will understand that what you do is not correct, really. So everybody, thank you for your attention, and if you agree or disagree, no problem, and don't hesitate to comment or subscribe. Ciao!